Cabbage can make delicious low-calorie diet-friendly soup. How about trying it in miso soup? With Wakame seaweed? Check this out.
Hi everyone, I'm Yayoi with Mostly Veggie. Welcome to my kitchen. In this channel, I'm sharing quick, easy, and unique recipe ideas to add more vegetables to your everyday meals. Today, I'm gonna be making easy miso soup with cabbage and wakame seaweed.
Today's ingredients for 2-3 servings. Let the cabbage cook for a few minutes or until tender. As we are waiting, here's a little bit of information about the miso I'm using. Dashi means stock or broth in Japanese. A traditional way to cook miso soup is to first make dashi from bonito or kelp, then add vegetables and miso paste. But this miso already has dashi in it. It's very easy to use and flavorful. I like cabbage in miso soup has a little bit of crunchiness left. The best way to test it is to eat. Miso is a bit salty, so when you add miso, start with 1 tablespoon of it. Taste the soup and add a little more miso if you need to. Today is exactly what I like, so I don't need more miso. After adding wakame seaweed, turn off the heat. When you continue boiling miso soup, you will lose nice flavor and probiotics in the miso. Here it is. Miso soup with cabbage and wakame seaweed. Bon appetit everyone! Did you enjoy today's recipe? Would you like to try it? Please leave your answer in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and enjoy more mostly veggie recipes coming up next.